You know, we're in an unprecedented time here in Louisiana where the federal government is working very hard to make health insurance the least expensive it's ever been, with large federal advanced tax credits that we can all access. Want to see what that shopping experience is like? Let's take a look. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to the Healthcare.gov website. And we're going to go directly into a shopping module without opening an account or feeding it a lot of personal information. So we start here at Get Coverage. And then once that screen comes up, we want to scroll down to the $ and go straight to See Plans and Prices. Now you can put in your zip code wherever you are because the prices do vary a little bit depending on where you live. I'm going to put in my zip code here, which is 70769. It should pull up your parish or county, as they call them here. And then once you've got it up in the box, just hit continue. Now you'll notice that we're on kind of a checklist, and that's a good thing. It keeps us organized. We've already done the zip code. We're going to go to the tell us about you and your household. And we're going to just shop for a single person. So we're going to keep it very simple. Who's in the household? We're going to do just you. And then continue. We're going to tell them our age. I'm 59, so I'm going to put my real age in. We're going to tell them our sex. And for now, we're going to skip all this because I'm going to assume two things. Number one, that you're not getting an offer of coverage from your employer, because if you are, you won't be eligible for tax credits. And number two, I'm going to assume you're not a tobacco user. And those are the most important boxes here. I've selected none of these under these boxes. And now I'm going to hit continue, and I can verify the age and the sex. And now I'm going to add a household income. Now, what you want to do here is to estimate how much money you think you're going to make in 2021 total from January to December. And we're looking for a gross income number, not your take-home pay after taxes. So let's just throw in a $75,000 number for demonstration purposes. But remember, what you're shooting for here is your gross income for the whole year, and it's okay to underestimate just a little bit and then hit continue. So immediately it kicks back to me how much tax credit I'm eligible for. And look at that. At a $75,000 income at 59 years of age as a single, I am eligible for $600 of federal assistance every month that I shop. If you want to go forward from there and do a little shopping, just click the View Plans button at the bottom, and up here hit Close on the pop-up box, and here you are. You're in the middle of all of the health plans that are available to you on Healthcare.gov. Notice the prices have already been adjusted by my $601.99 tax credit. So the big number remaining is how much I would actually have to pay out of pocket every month for my premiums. And you'll find in most markets in Louisiana, 30 plans that you can shop for here on Healthcare.gov. Enjoy it. Happy shopping.